we'll go for the off-road vehicles and new to this track. This will be my first ever race on YouTube of them. Hopefully it's exciting. They are full contact, so they're like bangers. The green flag is out. And we've already been at a crash on turn 1. Beach control and pushes someone into the wall. Oh, and there's been that. And there's someone on his roof. On beach control's roof. This is class. Well, there's been a following in right there. So, that. Oh, red flag is out. Someone is on his roof. So, here we go for the restart. Green flag is out. This one's even harder. So number 3 is going to the inside number 80. Try and get first, but number 80 goes down and puts him into the grass. Number 80 has a good chance in my first ever victory. I did some races of these, but never took a video. So beach control is in the water. There's 5 laps to go. 4 to go. Three to go. 2 to go. It's the final lap. Check your flag is out.